Here's one you don't see every day, or maybe ever. But that's what makes Classic Auto Mall the greatest indoor car show in the world. How about this 1960 Lloyd LT600 that falls into the MicroVan category and is often considered one of the earliest iterations of the multi-purpose minivan. It features a 596cc two-cylinder engine putting out a whopping 20 horsepower with a 3-speed manual transmission and drum brakes all around. Wide-set headlights accentuate the curves and body lines on the front, and the white bumpers are a nice contrast to the teal paint. The small 13-inch wheels include the Lloyd logo on the hubcaps. Unlike many micro cars, the cabin is relatively roomy and feels more like a VW bus. Although it's not going to win any races, it would be great cruising in a parade and is definitely an attention getter and conversation piece. See tons of pictures and get all the details at classicautomall.com. If you're considering buying or selling a classic or collectible vehicle, check out Classic Auto Mall. We advertise, sell, and ship worldwide while making the process safe, easy, and secure. For more information on the consignment process or to easily search our inventory of more than 1,000 cars in our massive showroom, visit us at classicautomall.com.